Hey everybody, and welcome back to Miss D's Pantry, and today we're making a sushi burger. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button. Alright, to start, we're gonna make the sauce that's gonna go with the crab meat. So it's gonna be sriracha mayo, which is just sriracha and mayo. I like to do equal parts, but you can do more or less sriracha depending on how spicy you want it to be. But whenever you make a mayo-based sauce, always add the ingredient and then the mayonnaise, because the sauce will turn out better as if you added the ingredient to the mayonnaise. Then you would just keep adding more and more, and it wouldn't be exactly flavor-wise what you were looking for. So the ingredient first, then the mayonnaise. So after we mix that all together, I'm going to use imitation crab meat. You can use crab meat, and a lot of sushi, it's just imitation crab meat for the most part. There are some where it is crab meat, but again, it's your preference, and you just want to take it and peel it apart. When you look at imitation crab meat, it kind of looks like, when you look at it, it's like there's little slithers, and you just want to pull those pieces apart, and it'll end up looking shredded. And it's probably better if you use like the crab stick pieces, because you can see it a lot better than using like the claw pieces like I'm using here. But once you finish doing that, you're just going to mix it all together and incorporate it into the dressing. You can make some dressing and then add little by little, depending on the flavor that you're looking for. But I already knew what flavor I was going for. That's why I added the crab meat to it. And I also added some Old Bay. We're in Maryland. Why not add a little Old Bay to it? So I cooked some sushi rice. And you're just going to cook it according to how the packet says it. And I'm going to put it in these bowls and let them cool down in the refrigerator. I have some nori here, which is just the seaweed. And I cut them into pieces with some scissors, because they come out as a whole sheet. So when the rice is cooled, it should come out of the bowl. I did rub a little bit of oil in the bowl, and I just took a spoon and went around the edges, and it came right out. So then I'm going to use the nori or the seaweed, and I'm going to put it inside of the burger. I did it a little cup, as you can see, so all my filling would have somewhere to sit. And then I just place the two pieces on top of each other, and there, look at it. You have a little burger. You can put some sesame seeds on top of it if you like, but I'm using this sriracha garlic seasoning because I had sriracha in the mayo, so I wanted to carry on the flavor. And I'm just going to show you one again, how easy it was. I just ran my spoon around the side, and they came right out. So it was that easy. And that's all you have there. Make sure you cut it in half so we can see how delicious it looks in the inside. You can really play around with this. You can add cucumbers, avocado. You can add crab, tuna, whatever you like. So if you guys end up trying this, make sure you leave me a comment and check the description box below for all my links in my blog, which I update very frequently. And I'll see you guys in the next video.